In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're joining for work, school, or an online class, I'll walk you through the essentials so you can get in quickly and confidently. The most common way to join is from an invite. Look for the meeting details that were sent to you in email, chat, or your calendar. You'll typically see a meeting link along with a meeting ID and a passcode. If you have the link, just select it and Teams will open. If you prefer using the ID, open Microsoft Teams, go to Calendar, choose Join with an ID, paste the meeting ID, and select Join Meeting. When prompted, enter the passcode to continue. Next, you'll land on the Join screen. Here, Teams offers three choices: continue in your web browser, open the Microsoft Teams app, or download the app if you don't already have it. The browser option is quick and works well on most devices, while the app often gives you the smoothest experience and more features. Pick what suits you today. Before you enter, take a moment to set up your audio and video. Toggle your camera on or off, mute or unmute your microphone, and open device settings if you need to switch to the right speakers. Mic or camera. A quick test here can save you troubleshooting later. If you're in a noisy place, use headphones to reduce echo. When everything looks good, click Join Now. Once you're in the meeting, you'll see controls along the top or bottom of the window. You can turn your camera and microphone on or off at any time. Use the chat to share messages or links without interrupting the speaker. If you'd like to speak, click Raise Hand so the organizer knows to call on you. When permitted, you can also share your screen or specific files to present your work. If you run into issues, start simple. Check your device settings to make sure the correct microphone and speakers are selected. Plug in headphones to avoid feedback. If the meeting won't load, refresh the page or rejoin from the invite and make sure you have a steady internet connection. And that's it. Now you know how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting and what to do once you're inside. If you found this helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams and Microsoft Office tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.